Welcome to the day 3 of R3 APAC Developer Week. I'm Navin Reddy, and she's back, my co-host, who will be quizzing you with the Bollywood polls. And till this point, I enjoyed all the polls. Some of them answer I was not knowing, but then I did my research. Now I'm all set to answer all your questions, Delai. Good morning.
Greetings, Naveen. I'm so glad you took the time to do the research. By the way, did you feel the change in the weather this morning? Because I felt
Yeah,
it. Did you feel the dip in temperature? I'm so glad it's less hot now.
yeah, right. In fact, I was observing yesterday night as well. It was a bit cold, so that's great. So one thing, that I was thinking about this from a long time. So as a developer, we sit on a computer for long hours. Sometime, as yesterday when Sneha was talking about debugging and coding, and then we picked up a point where as a developer, we spend less time in coding and more time in debugging. So maybe we have to sit there for 8 to 9 hours. And I feel it's not healthy lifestyle for us. So any tip, how do you, as in Bollywood, I have observed that, you shoot for long hours, maybe 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours. So how do you keep that energy and how do you keep that active lifestyle?
Well, I completely agree. We shoot for insane hours. I've shot for 24 hours once. And
Oh,
I think what you have to do is you just have to keep, as long as I think your mind is awake, as it's all in the mind. I've realized I used to dip a lot, but I think you just tell yourself, you know what, I'm not going to sleep today. I have to be doing this. And once you've told yourself that, you just keep going. And also talk to people. Maybe I think that's what I like on sets. I'm pretty sure it's different when you're just sitting by yourself, like coding, but on sets I've always found that I have to like talk to people because that keeps me engaged, that keeps me going. But maybe you could like video call somebody and just be like, hey, do you want to hang out with me while I code, because I'm about to dip.
oh, that's nice idea. In fact, I should do that. So next time I'm writing a code, I will just have a call with someone, casual chatting and coding. That sounds great. So thank you so much for that. I will keep my mind active and yeah, we'll talk to people. That will be helpful. Great. Thank you so much, Dalai. We'll pull you back for the Bollywood poll. I think we have some exciting poll coming up. And now it's time to move towards let's understand what we are going to do today. Let's go through the schedule. So if you can have the schedule up. Right. So today we have some awesome session. In fact, one of the sessions which I'm very excited about is at 12:30. So let's start with the first session. So at 10:15, we are going to start with the Coda accounts and tokens. This is something new, I guess they have introduced in Coda 4. If I forgot the version. And then we at 11, we have, so the magic is coming a bit early today. So today we have at 11, magic by Mark, and I'm quite enjoying those magic. In fact, it was supposed to be a break. I was supposed to go to washroom, but then I don't know why I'm completely watching that entire magic. It's so fascinating. And then at 11:15, we are going to understand different, we'll see different plugins for IntelliJ, and we'll see some development tools for Coda. At 12, we have a lunch break. Yes, we have an early lunch break today. And we can also enjoy the DJ song. And then we have the most important session, which I was waiting for from a long time. In fact, from day 1 itself, is to understand the Coda 5 developer preview. Because I was working on Coda 4 for some time, and then I was waiting for Coda 5, and this is a perfect session to understand what is happening with Coda 5. But that is after lunch, so make sure that you are there post-lunch as well. And then we have the office hours. Now, this is where you can ask questions. I've seen yesterday some people went, but then this is the best time you can ask questions to the development team. And then we had some awesome time yesterday as well. And after that, we have a daily job fair, and you can connect with the employees there. And now let's talk about the leaderboard. So in this week, apart from training, of course, we have these amazing sessions, but apart from training, we also have some prizes, right? So what we're doing is we are giving away $10,000 in prizes. Now you can win those with the help of quizzes, which we do. So during these sessions, I will come to I will disturb some sessions, and then we'll play a quiz and we'll give away the rewards, maybe $100, $150, or $200, right? Apart from that, we have one more way of winning it is by staying on top of the leaderboard. So if you can see on the screen or on your platform, there is an option of leaderboard. And you can see we have a leaderboard where you just have to be on top to receive the reward. Yesterday, we have some other winner today. In fact, we'll announce the winner next day, right? So we have the yesterday's winner here. And if you win, you will receive the award of $100. So let me share my screen and let's see who is the winner.
This is the winner from yesterday, Naveen. So we've been looking at it. It's very interesting. There's some people who I guess didn't sleep very much because you'll see who and yeah, we've been resetting. We reset the leaderboard in the morning, guys, just before we start. So some people in the chat were saying, I guess the leaderboard's glitching. Yes, we've been zeroing it just to make sure that it's zero before we start. So once we start, it'll be there. But here is yesterday's winner.
So yesterday we got a winner. Yay! So we got Ross.
Now,
and look at the points.
Yeah.
Yes, Gavin.
Naveen, do you think that Ross and Harash were running scripts?
Looks like naturally we should not be getting this amount of points just by interacting on the platform. And we have not seen even one post from them.
Yeah, I didn't see any posts from Rosh, no posts from Harash. But you know what? We didn't say that you couldn't run a script. So you know, I guess Ross will be reaching out to Ross, and we'll be giving him the $100. And we've made some changes, but it looks like Ross is the winner. But 82,000 is clearly not being done by a human. But that's why we run these developer conferences. We want you guys to think outside the box. So great job. But we've made some changes in the back end. I don't think you're going to be able to do that anymore.
Oh, that's sad. But I love the music. I love the music. Awesome. Great. So that was the leaderboard from yesterday. And then, yeah, that was good. So you will be saving $100. So now if you want to win this tomorrow, the only thing you have to do is you just have to interact with the platform. So just go to that platform and interact, visit the profiles and stuff, and you will receive if you're on top, of course, you will receive. Now, apart from that, we have one more way of winning, which is code challenge. So on day one, we talked about coding challenge, and the winner will be announced on Friday. And the winner will be getting $1,000. Can you imagine? As a developer, we just want to write code, but if you get a code and if you get a reward, why not? And who doesn't love social media, right? So if you can go to social media platform, post about the CodaCon, the Coda Developer Week, and use the hashtag, which is R3DevWeek for this week. Apart from this, you can also connect with us on Slack, on Discord. So there's a group available on both, and you can see in the chat window, there will be links available and you can connect with them. Now, these videos will be available offline as well not online, but not live, as a video on this YouTube channel, which is Coda Blockchain. Okay, now we have some more way. In the entire week, we are talking about Coda, we are talking about Conclave. There's also a way you can get certified, which is very important because employers are looking for the certified Coda and Conclave developers. And if you want to get certified for free, is a way. You can see the chat, there's an option there's a link, and using that link, you can get certified for the Coda and Conclave for free. It's just that when you have to add the product to the cart, and during the checkout, automatically it will get the coupon, and you don't have to pay any amount. Make sure that the coupon is applied. Now, apart from this, every day we are doing a lot of sessions, and I'm seeing this work from the evangelists. They are working very hard to give these sessions, and I'm enjoying them. If you are enjoying those sessions, after every session, we are posting a survey link. Make sure that you provide the survey, which is very important. And if you really love the sessions, make sure that you give 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10, okay, if you enjoy it, because this code below that is not registered properly. But yes, if you don't enjoy the session, you can give any score. But if you love the session, if you enjoy it, why not give 9 or 10, which will make sense. Great. And that's it. We are all set for the day.
Naveen, can you just promote the 12:30 p.m. Corda 5 dev preview? Because a lot of people have signed up for it, and we just want to make sure that everybody's got that.
Exactly right. This is one of the most awaited sessions from my side as well. We all want to know what is happening in Coda 5, what's new. So make sure that you are there post lunch as well, because at 12:30 we have a Coda 5 preview session. And of course, if you know someone who want to join these sessions, make sure that you share the link with them so that they can register and they can join these live sessions. Okay, great. And now we'll start our day with the Bollywood poll. And Dalai, I guess you're all set for the poll.
Of course, always ready to go. Let's pull up the first one, guys.
Yes.
Okay, so the first question of the day is, which famous child star grew up to direct Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor in their first voice acting roles? Was it A. Hani Irani? Was it B. Aditya Kapadia? Was it C. Sridevi? Or was it D. Jugal Hansraj? I see everybody's voting. Come on, everybody come in and vote. Take your guesses. I'm wondering if you're gonna get this one right. I'm seeing it switching around. Okay. I'm seeing somebody edge out the others, but I don't know if that's the one. Okay,
Jugal
come on,
Hansraj?
guys. Keep going. Who do you think it is, Naveen?
I think it's Jugal Hansraj because he was a child actor as well.
I mean, all of these people were child actors, and more than one of them has directed a film as when they grew up. So it is a bit of a tough question.
Yeah.
We'll have to see. Okay. All right. I'm going to give you guys 10 more seconds. Okay. If anybody thinks that they've got it, put in their answers. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's end the poll and see the results. Oh, guys, this is a break in pattern. The majority did not get the answer right. The majority, which is 36%, voted for Aditya, but actually the answer is Jugal Hansraj. He directed a film called Roadside Romeo, and that was with Saif and Kareena.
Oh, that's my favorite song. Romeo. I love that music. I don't know why,
You've
but
seen it. I didn't know people had watched that movie.
yeah, I have not seen the entire movie, but I enjoyed that song, and awesome voice from Saif and Kareena.
Naveen and Delight, we're just going to do one poll, okay? Because we're just running a little bit behind. We'll pick it up a bit later.
Okay. See you guys later for the next poll.
Oh, thank you so much, Dalai. And now let's move towards the concepts. Okay, now again, this is a technical day. We have Ashutosh with us. We have Peter and Ashutosh who is going to talk about the Coda accounts and tokens. Hi, Peter.
Morning, Navin. Hi.